the light in my son's room went out, and we cannot get this glass off. And we think the last person who put it on. They didn't line it up before they screwed it on, and so now it's put in, kind of like jammed in place. And so we've WD-40'd it. No luck.
We're using a screwdriver.
Somebody said use a screwdriver to try and kind of like loosen it. We can only get the screwdriver in on certain areas because of the off kilter. We don't know what to do. So we're trying these different ideas.
I'm trying to help.
Hold that. Okay.
And to replace a lamp is a lot of money, right? Replace this fan, so we don't know what to do. River.
Oh. It's working. It's working. It's making a gap.
Well,
yeah, it's working. Oh, it's working. Yeah.
well, it's moving it. But it's not loosening the glass.
I know, but it's making a gap right here. There's a gap now. Ow! Dumb ladder. Oh no, you're gonna break it. You can do it in other spots so you can get the other spots loose.
Gapping here.
But not gapping
Tight.
over there.
Tight
Right.
as. Nope,
And I
no
think
gap,
that's what
no
our
nothing.
problem is right there is they put it in wrong. So now we can't undo it.
We need tips.
They didn't check that. They just screwed it on and then tightened it.
Comment below
They didn't want to. It's probably hard to put back on.
if you can help us.
What happened?
Comment below for tips on how to unscrew this thing. We need help. We need tips.
And that's just gonna scratch it. It just goes straight through.
Okay. This is about the last place I can kind of
Get it in.
get it in.
And it's not unloosening it because it's. How can it unloosen it when it's screwed in
Cockeyed.
cockeyed wrong?
Don't hold that.
I just kind of cleaning. It marred it a little bit right there. I don't know how to. It doesn't look corroded. You know, you
Right.
look at it. There's no corrosion under
it's
there
not
at all.
like the rest isn't holding it
Right,
together.
No, that doesn't look like any rust at all.
It's just being put in cockeye.
It's just stubborn.
Gave it.
The glass is stubborn.
Okay, hold that. And we've been told it over and over again. Don't let this move.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh! This has been months and months of
You don't have
doing
to
this.
comment. You don't have to comment.
Oh my gosh. We've been fighting this and just worried
You
about
might
it.
have to comment on how
Because
to put it back on.
replace that for cheap.
Yeah, replace that.
Oh, we did it.
Oh, yes.
Everybody had to help.
Yep.
And we got our ladders and our chairs and our stools. And we did it. Oh,
We should celebrate, man.
that
we should.
deserves.
Let's get the light bulb out.
I'll
Okay,
go
now
get
we
some
got to
club
get a new
soda.
light bulb.
Now,
Ugh.
we got to be careful with
There. And now you can.
The burnt out light bulb.
This is the light bulb that burnt out. And see where it touched the glass, I guess. Is that where the metal sprung, touched the glass?
It's still burning into it.
Not anymore.
No, it's currently still burning.
That's the light bulb that burnt out. And now we fixed that problem though.